Hey guys, welcome back to Art of Motorcycles, and in this episode we are going from Bangalore to Goa. So it's on 6 o'clock and we have reached the highway. So this is the group from Art of Motorcycles. So chalo, see you on road then.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
So welcome back to the channel everyone. So we are just in middle of Goa and Karnataka border. So Goa is 321 kilometers from here and the approximate time it is showing like 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. we'll be reaching. It's fun. Hopefully you like to see all the fun.
One eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new
The
one.
next day.
Welcome back to Art of Motorcycle, guys. This is Junaid again, back to take you through the Rider Mania 2018. And the day one, we had got 350cc, expert, and novice category. We as Art of Motorcycle carrying the racing DNA. Whatever motorcycles, what you see, what we build, what we tour, and what we do. Everything starts from our racing DNA, which is handed over by me and Zuhaib, where Zuhaib took the whole and sole responsibility of getting the registrations and the riding team together, and the bikes were all set. Once the bikes were set, the riders were all getting ready for their challenge which was coming ahead of them. And guys, we all were nervous. We have already taken 2 years of championship, which is 2016 and 2017. Now we are in 2018 and let's see what happens. It is not only the motorcycle or the rider, it's the whole team which works together and which focuses towards the upcoming challenges. It was a challenge for the technical team, it was a challenge for the riders, and it was also a challenge for the management team. When you have to always be on your toes to make sure that everybody sings and is prepared to help each other to go and achieve a target, which is victory. So in few minutes from now, the race was all set to start and the gates were all getting ready to set up and the riders were getting nervous, including us. So sit back, relax and enjoy this particular race.
number 55 in second. Come on, go on, man.
They're gonna have a prize distribution right here on the podium. Racing at the other motorcycle by doing 1, 2, and 3 of expert class 350.
Day 2.
Hi guys, welcome back to Art Motorcycle. It's day 2. The fun is not yet finished. We have got 4 more races to finish. Today we are going to race in 500 expert and 500 novice. So let's see what happens and keep watching and keep following.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home, when I'm home. I was just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was.
Day 3.
And in first place, also the whole shot winner, Sir Emma. So Bangalore, we are part of it. From Art Motorcycle. Just got 1 tire, 2. Bikes come from the tires. Alright, there we go. Congratulations, here we have the expert category, everybody. Make some noise!
So guys, you would have enjoyed this particular episode of Ridermania 2018. Apart from the Race of Champions, we won all the categories and we won a 500cc novice category. Race of the Champions, Suhail had a fall in the last second lap. It was almost there, but we'll be back again, a big bang for the next year. Until the next episode, stay blessed, ride safe and be safe. Adios amigos.